Xpert-60 hologram remover is a specially formulated ultrafine compound created to easily remove light swirl marks and holograms. It's particularly useful on dark colours, especially when used in combination with the Xpert-60 black finishing foam. Apply Xpert-60 hologram remover to the paint surface and spread to a thin even layer using the pad. Set the machine speed to between 800 and 1500 RPM. Work over the area of the machine and pad. Polish up the paint, reduce the pressure on the paint surface as the film starts to clear. Continue to float the surface with an unpressured pad until the paint has a light film residue. Finally, remove any trace residues of compound using a clean microfiber cloth. Job done easily.